Hey, come to the pub.
I can't get there.
You find a way.
Welcome to another tutorial where I'll show you how to create GTA style videos using your Insta360 X3 and a few accessories that will leave your friends and followers amazed. So let's dive right in.
Utilise the Backbar Mount, secure it around your waist and attach the selfie pole. Elevate the pole to align it just above your head. Mount the Insta360 X3 on the pole and select a 5.7K resolution at 30 frames per second. With these steps completed, you're all set to start filming. Now let's edit in the Insta360 app. Center yourself, add a keyframe, select deep track and draw a square around your body and let AI do the work. When content, export it. For epic third-person car shots, use the triple suction cup car mount. Secure it to your rear window and attach the Invisible Selfie Stick just above car height and mount the Insta360 X3 at 5.7K 30 frames per second. Now you're ready to capture some stunning shots. To track the car just as we track a person, center the car and create a new keyframe. Select deep track for the car and draw a square around it. Let AI take over, and when you're satisfied, it's time to export your footage.
So there you have it, your comprehensive guide to capturing GTA style footage that immerses you into the game itself. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Use the hashtag RealLifeGTA when you share on social media, and until next time, happy shooting.